Hello my friend, my name is Irina Bjorna and I'm creator of Bell Books for Easy Living, and today it's a Christmas presents program. Very soon will be Christmas and I prepare for you 4 different Christmas calendar, and just it's back behind me this big calendar. So under the screen and in the screen you can see the addresses of this calendar, and you just click and you can just choose all 4 calendars. One is Bell Books calendar, every day open new film, and number 2 it's Bell Books in Russian calendar. Number 3 it's all of my songs, 24 songs calendar, and number 4 and 24 dance calendar. So, and it's for you small presents from Bell Books, Books for Easy Living. And of course, don't forget that you can give all of the people around you and yourself, of course, books, Bell Books, and it's 2 shops. You can buy this or in the Amazon or just direct in my shop. It's a name of the shop, and how you can come there, it's under the screen and on the screen. And remember that if you buy electronic books, it's much easier and much better for our environment because you save the tree. So 3 books you buy from me, you save about small tree about 1 year old. 4 books, it's a small tree about 2 years old. So it's up to you how many tree you would like to save. And don't forget, in the end of this movie, make like. It's only in the end of the movie you can do this. You can share this movie in tweet this, and you can send to your friends. Don't hesitate, do this. Be in the Christmas spirit, and it's a lot of small tricky things in my films. Again, it's a small presents, and look at the films every day. Be happy, and Irina Bjorna and Bell Books wish you well. If you're not subscribed in my channel, subscribe this, because it will be new movie, new films, new tricks, new songs, new dance. Everything for easy living. Irina Bjorna and Bell Books wish you well. Together with little Bella, of course. Bye!